It's almost 5:30 in the evening. How cute is my little background? It says, I am the luckiest girl in the world. Well, it says I'm the luckiest person in the world, but I'm the luckiest girl in the world. I am really getting into I always have, always been into like my manifestation, but I feel like having your wallpaper as something really, like a mantra, something to like see like as a sign every day, like I am the luckiest girl in the world. Like I read that and it's consciously at the forefront of my mind. So I always like having little cute inspirational things on my wallpaper. So that's my wallpaper. Anyway, it's 5:30 in the evening. I thought this was a perfect time to start our evening routine together. Obviously not every evening looks like this, I wish it did, but this is my like autumnal, perfect nighttime routine. Just when I'm feeling like I want to pamper myself just that little bit more. Just when I want to treat myself. I'm gonna bake some cookies so the apartment smells beautiful. Today's been like a super like dull, rainy day, which just made me feel so in the mood. I really want to film these like kind of yearly. I want this to be a little bit of a cozy tradition here on my channel. I love watching evening routines and just seeing what everyone gets up to. So here is mine. Like I said, it's not 100% realistic. It's not what I do every night, obviously, but I fancy a bit of a pamper tonight. I'm thinking a bath. I've been to Lush. I picked up some new bits, so I'll show you them. I've got some new PJs to put on. Fresh pyjamas just do something to me. You know what I'm like with PJs. They're just like my favourite thing in the world. They're what I wear the most. Like I literally have a fashion channel, but wear pyjamas 99% of the time, and I always have done. I'm an absolute pyjama queen. If I ever like bring out my own clothing line, which would be a dream, my own little brand, it would 100% be pyjamas. So let's all manifest that for me and for us. I'm completely rambling. All I wanted to say was, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, I did do a little Lush order. I got the Mr. Pumpkin face mask. I feel like Lush products just smell. Oh my God. That smells amazing. I can't wait to use that. And of course, I picked up a new bath bomb. I got the little jack-o'-lantern. I love that this doesn't smell so overwhelmingly of pumpkin. I'm not actually sure what scent it is, but so cute. I had to pick him up. And on Amazon, I picked up this cinnamon buns shower gel. Oh my God. I think this is from the brand Philosophy. And oh my God, this smells insane. I'm so excited to try this. So I'm going to use all these products in my bath and it's going to be so cozy. And like I said, I got some new PJs, like fresh PJs. Let me show you. Here are my new PJs from Lounge. How gorgeous are these? They have little croissants on and berries, little pot of jam, cereal. I just feel like these are like the perfect in-between pyjamas, like this gorgeous baby pink colour. They're not like autumnal. Well, I mean, they are autumnal, but they're not like screaming in your face pumpkin, and they're also not Christmassy, so they're really nice, like in between pyjama, like to wear in November, the end of October, like, you know what I mean. Little coffee cups as well. Like I absolutely love these. These are gorgeous and they're so super soft. Like I said, these are from Lounge. I'll link them down below. They're so beautiful. They're gonna look better on, like they're literally just like thrown on the bed. I've tried to put them neatly for you to be able to see them, but oh my God, how beautiful are they? I'm so excited to put these on. Aren't these like the cutest PJs ever? I'm obsessed with them. I'm all fresh out the bath. Obviously I need to do my skincare still. We need to use that face mask, but I'm gonna make some dinner first. I think we're gonna have a super like hearty meal. I'm thinking soup for like starters, and then I'm not really sure. I think we might have bao buns, which isn't incredibly autumnal, but I feel like the soup is. I'm in the mood for just like a nice soup, and me and Bailey have felt really jet lagged since coming back from New York, so I feel like a nice homely soup will soothe our throats as well, because I've had the serious lurgy, so I'm on the back end of it. I just feel like I really fancy a chicken soup. And then I feel like we should bake some cookies. I'm fancying like some gingerbread cookies. I also have some orange fondant and I feel like I'm going to be able to make some cute little cookies. So that's the agenda for tonight. It's just something about a candle and a warm lit living room that just excites me. I'm like sat tucked right underneath the lamp because I feel like it's super dark in the apartment. The camera's not quite vibing, but I haven't opened my hipper. I mean, I've opened a few. I'll show you the family in a minute, but let's open this hipper together. Honestly, you don't understand how excited I felt to open this. I didn't really want to open it in my evening routine, but I feel like the vlog girlies are going to be watching this video and they're going to be wondering what Sunny Angels I picked up from New York. So don't worry, I didn't unbox them all. I do have a couple others that I will save for a future vlog because I feel like opening them together is so much more fun. So let's open my hipper. So this one is the... I'm not sure. These are just the hippers, but here are the choices. So they're all animals, I think. I'm hoping for the pig or the bunny. Let me see what else. Yeah. Or the duck. So, I'm excited. If you don't know what Sunny Angels are, they're basically just like little figurines. They're little naked angels. They're like collectible items and I'm obsessed with them. So, oh my god. So excited. You guys are going to know what it is before I am. I'm going to close my eyes. Is this the right way? Is it cute? Oh my god, it's the koala. She is adorable on top of my MacBook as well. I kind of like that it's grey because it's going to suit the MacBook really well. Oh, cute. Kind of wish it was the pig, but it's okay. Could be worse. I feel like the worst ones on here are like, to be fair, they're all cute. I can't really say that, but like I wouldn't have been happy if like I got the sheep. I feel like the sheep's boring. Hope you can see that. I just love how they're just sat so like, because I feel like I always do this. I always kind of, lots of people are like, oh, I always pouting, but it's like just something I do. I'm like, It's just like a natural facial expression of mine, and I just feel like the Sunny Angels are doing it too. And I'm so excited to put that on top of my MacBook. How exciting. And here's my little family. So I have the cat. Just look how adorable. I love that they're just like so cute. So we have the cat. I got the pig figurine. This is what I wanted so badly. The chameleon. Sorry. He is adorbs. I love him from the side. How cute. And obviously this is the one I got in New York. If you see my New York vlog, which I hope you've watched, this is where we got him from. You know what? Should we just open another one? There's this thing, like it's such a thrill when you open them. That's why I love them so much. It just gives you that little like 10 seconds of joy. I'm too excited, and I feel like, I just really hope, because this is like my last one of this series, I really, really, really want the pig. I really want it. Guys. Oh my god. Did I jinx it? I literally said about the lamb. Do you know what though? I actually quite love him. It was like a little cloud. Oh. I'm like low-key upset, but also, oh my god, I want the pig so bad now. I'm gonna have to get more. I'm gonna have to keep getting them until I got the pig. Like, I need the pig. It's the cutest one. This is probably why they're so addictive. Like, you see one on the packet that you like, heart desires, you don't get it. You collect a family, and then you finally get the one you want. I was gonna unbox this one off camera, but you know what? Let's just open them. This is my last one. These are the fruit series, so it's gonna be a little fruit hipper, and I really want the strawberry. So, oh my god, it's the mushroom. Sorry. I mean, I did want the strawberry, but he is adorable. Oh my god, stop. Obsessed. That's my Sunny Angels haul, guys. If you go to New York, if you go anywhere that you're able to get Sunny Angels, you can actually get them in Manchester. They've got like certain shops that do them, but they're kind of like gold dust. Get one, because they just give you joy. That was our 2 minutes of absolute fun. Let's get on to making dinner. Guys, I'm actually so proud of myself. They look so cute. They've taken absolutely ages to make, but I think they're so cute. I actually love them and they're gonna look so cute on Friday. I don't think I've told you, but I am having a little bit of a Halloween get together with my friends, and these little cookies are definitely going to be featuring. I feel like they look really professional, and little old me did them with a lot of help from Bailey. Side note, I just put my little mushroom on my phone. How cute does he look? I'm obsessed. It's absolutely time to take this makeup off, do some skincare, use my new face mask. I do need to wash my hair, so it kind of seems counterproductive to kind of put the face mask on first, but I don't love using new products, so I kind of do want to wash it off. I don't want it to like let it sit on my skin because I'm literally allergic to most things when it comes to my skin. So yeah, let's do the face mask and then I'm gonna jump in the shower because there's hair. I'm actually a bit scared because I've heard that this face mask can stain your face orange. So I'm kind of glad I'm getting in the shower afterwards. It has slightly stained my brush even though I've cleaned it. So I don't know how long I'm going to leave this on for. Low-key scared. I really don't want to get any in my hair. I don't want orange hair. But I'm going to leave this on for, I'm going to say like 5 minutes. Get in the shower, we can finish the rest of my skincare together. Everyone pray that my face isn't bright orange. I feel like it'll be fine. There really is no better feeling than fresh out of the shower, fresh PJs, all moisturised. I thought I'd show you my hair care routine because I feel like I'm going to get questions, and obviously I didn't film myself getting into the shower. So these are the shampoo and conditioner that I use. They are the Kerastase Premier range. I absolutely love these. Bailey steals these from me too. We religiously use this. I absolutely love the smell. It's supposed to decalcify your hair, so it takes like any harsh water damage out, like any dullness that comes from like metal in water, stuff like that. It really brightens my blonde without having to use any kind of like toning shampoo. I do sometimes use silver shampoo. I don't use it every time. I definitely never ever overuse it, so like a lot of people do. I use the Fudge purple shampoo, but very sparingly. I probably use it like once a month, if that. But these are my hair care saviours, and whenever I get out of the shower I use the Unique one from Revlon. This is the best thing ever. It's a heat protectant, keeps your hair smooth. What does it even say? It controls frizz, conditions, detangles, repairs damaged hair, strengthens, reduces breakage, heat protection, softness, boosts shine, protects colour. It's one of those all-in-one products. I love simplified skincare and hair care. I'm not here for a 10-step hair care routine. Like, I love a pamper, but I love when something just does all the work. So this is an essential. I have quite curly hair naturally, so I find that using this Unique one as a detangler is the only thing that lets the brush get through my head. So highly, highly recommend. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of skincare. This is the Caudalie Vinyl Perfect. This is one of my fave products ever. I love the Pipette. I just feel like it's so luxury and it really feels so good on the skin. It's almost like a milk based product. It just glides on. It's really deeply moisturising without it being like super thick in consistency, because sometimes I feel like a thick moisturiser, you're like sat there rubbing it in for absolutely ages, and I just feel like it gives you that glow immediately. I actually heard that you're supposed to do eye cream before your moisturiser. Apparently it's like putting a brow on top of your top, so I've completely messed that up, but I'm just using the Ren eye cream. I think it's just called the Brightening Under Eye Cream. I'm just going to pop that under my eyes and a little bit on the eyelid. And to battle the winter uglies, I am going to use this face tan from Love and Tan. I have been using this and I actually really love it. I think it's like a tinted moisturiser kind of situ, so you can really build it up and it doesn't sit in your pores. That's something I always find with face tans with me, like they always seem to sit in my pores. So I'm going to pop a little bit of that on because your girl does not want to be pale. That literally just gives you an instant glow. My towel's falling off my head, but just to finish, I'm going to use the U-Tan CBD tanning water just to layer on top of that face tan. And that's me, all ready for bed. Let's do a little bit of haircut. I need to put the Unique one on. I'm going to tangle this mess. It's not cute. I'm just going to run a few spritz throughout my hair. And something I need to absolutely put you on is this brush. Don't mind, just got a little bit of hair in there. I am a ride or die Tangle Teaser girl, and I saw this in Home Bargains, and look at the curvature. This is like the best brush ever. It's 99p, actually it's 69p. Home Bargains, how gorgeous is that? Honestly, for 69p, just go and get it, just try it. Like, even if you're a Tangle Teaser stan like I was, give it a go, because I use this more than my Tangle Teaser now, and it's so good for when your hair's wet as well. I just feel like it's got slightly wider bristles than the Tangle Teaser does, and I don't know, like, there's something about the curvature, it just, oh, it feels so nice to brush your hair. But once I've used the Unique one, my hair, like, look how much it's just, it glides. The only thing is, does anyone else lose around 5 million strands of hair when they wash their hair and also when they get out of the shower and brush their hair? I don't know what it is, but I don't know how I have any hair left on my head. I lose so much hair, it's absolutely ridiculous. So someone else, please tell me that you lose your hair in the shower too. Like, I'm pretty sure we all do, but why? It's seriously not normal. I feel like it's rude not to try one of my cookies, so me and Bailey outdone ourselves with that. Bailey, do you want to try it? I would seriously give myself a 10 out of 10 for those, not gonna lie. I need to dry this hair ASAP. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you enjoyed spending a nice cozy evening with me. I'm so glad to be home and like getting back into my homey content. I actually really enjoyed filming this video, so let me know if you enjoyed it. As always, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye guys.